Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft fireworks in Minecraft. So in order to do this, let me show you the recipe first, a very basic one. Simply put the paper right here and then any amount of gunpowder next to it. There could be even one, and that way you will craft 3 fireworks. And depending on how much gunpowder you add to the firework, the length of its flying, the distance of the flight will change, and also it would add an explosion. And then now to actually gather gunpowder, you need to kill the creepers. You can also find them in the chests inside the dungeons. Let's try killing this one. And it just gave us the gunpowder. Also what you need is a paper, and to get that, get the sugar cane right here. It needs a water. You can't place it without water. You need some kind of water pool next to it. To craft the paper, simply put 3 sugar canes next to each other, and that way you'll craft the paper. Now let's craft the paper fireworks again, like this. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.